Yaza ngikuboni njalo kodwa isifiso sami ukukubona imihla yonke malanga yenze njani mntakwethu ngale mizwa engiyizwa njalo nje
Welcome everybody, it's your girl, your mama, your sister, and your friend Busi Jane. If it's your first time on the channel, then kindly do hit me up with a subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. Also, it'll be really cute, like it'll be the nicest thing for you to do on earth besides hugging a tree to like my video. Thank you, and share it with whomever you think will enjoy this content. So today I bring you something different, something exciting, and I mean different because I mean quality is like I'm excited. So at church they had a workshop for us. It was a workshop on discipleship. Was it family discipleship? Yeah, but there was something about disciple, which is very funny because most people were thinking discipline, including myself. And then we had photography. Yes.
Hi.
Hey.
Why are you talking?
I'm shooting a video. Oh, this is also, if it's your first time on this channel, this is part of the... Hey, we don't want to show people where you go to school. Why does your face look so serious?
Mommy, I'm hiding the sun next. I'm going to hide the sun here.
You're going to hide the sun. Anywho, I bring you something that is very exciting.
Whoa.
And please do not mind my skin. I'm a very in-pigmented person, but whatever that means.
Yeah, and I'm watching on my mommy's iPhone.
He's watching on his mommy's other phone. Thank you. Thank you. I think...
I'm switching that off.
Nah, don't. I'm so shy.
I switch it off.
Do you want me to punch your face and take that tooth out?
No. Yes, punch here. It didn't.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
They are fine. And how are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
So, introduce yourself to those who have never met you. Naman.
Yeah.
Come. You're talking. Introduce yourself to those who don't know you. Introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Gumgani.
Mommy, I'm just showing them what I'm watching.
Don't show them. I'm shooting. Bye.
I'm watching my Day.
Awesome. They love it. Right. I decided not to cut that out because a whole lot of people have been saying that they miss Gumgani, and I don't know why, but it's fine. Anyways, without any further ado, ooh, there was water here. Anything? You know what excites me? What excites me is the video quality. It's the video quality. And I'm sorry for the noise of the plastic, but look what my friend got for me. Look what my friend got for me. And because I'm shooting in selfie mode, I mean, wouldn't you want to shoot in selfie mode if you had just gotten a new gadget? I think you would. So, I got myself a I almost said P. I did. I got myself an iPhone 13, and I got the iPhone 13, just iPhone 13, because I was drawn by the space. I didn't think Pro and whatnot because I'm not really much of a clued up fan for an iPhone. But yeah, I got myself an iPhone 13, and the space is 512 gigabytes. And I'm happy. So far, I mean, one thing I'm not happy about, maybe this is something I need to learn, but I'm not happy with the fact that it cannot take moon pictures. I mean, with my P40 Pro, I used to take moon pictures and I would be so close to the moon, guys, come on. But I tried with the iPhone 13 and it just didn't take a good picture. I'm not sure what the reason is because the picture quality of this phone is a bomb. It's cool, like, you know, it's cool. So my friend got me earpods, lightning connector. Is it lightning? Yeah, it's lightning. I wonder what that means. So how do I take this out? Oh, my bad. I take the sticker. iPhone is so fancy, guys. So fancy. Oh, it almost looks like earbuds. Oh, I have no idea what lightning connector means. No idea. Ooh, fancy. This is so cool. So my friend got me these iPods. I mean, what am I even saying? Guys, so to me, I'm new in this house, in the iPhone house. I'm sweating now. I'm sweating now. But I am so happy. So very happy. And I'm definitely gonna do some song covers this year. Maybe I'll start with Adele. Please go in. No, I'm kidding. I don't want London to come for me. Sure. Anywho, she got me this. It's so nice. Looks super expensive. Definitely was expensive. This is my son's lunchbox for the whole month. Damn. How do I now put it to sleep? Oh. So I have... Oh, let me just close this. The iPhone 13 does not come with an adapter and it does not come with earphones, right? This is something you need to get for yourself. And I think there was a rumor, someone made a joke about how the iPhone 14 will not come with the SIM slot, which is hilarious. But I mean, people are so in love with iPhone. They make excuses for iPhones, which I mean, they're valid, you know, I don't know. So far, iPhone has made a whole lot of things very easy for me. For example, my banking, it has made with what do they call that feature? I forgot. But iPhone makes a whole lot of things very, very easy. I can have So as I was saying about the workshop that we had at church, we had it with an amazing woman from I'm not sure if I'm supposed to mention people's names, so I'll just say from a church in Durban, she was so incredible. I mean, the things that I've learned from her regarding photography, I am super grateful for, and I just can't wait to put all the things that she told us to practice. I'm really looking forward to it. So my reason for this video is quite a few things. I had a choice. I was up for an upgrade regarding my cell phones. And for me, it's really crucial. Once I hit 2 years, I really need another phone because my phone is probably and most definitely full by then. So I went to the red shop and got myself a phone. And prior to me getting myself that phone, I went to the other blue and white shop, not the network one, the one that sells laptops and phones. Okay, no, I went to Incredible Connections. And then I wanted to check if I could buy my phone from them because the first phone, which was my P20 in 2018 that I got, was from Incredible Connections. And I thought, I could get the same, but then that didn't happen. I think it took like an entire week for me to somewhat get close to me having a phone, and nothing actually happened. And the phone that I actually wanted was a Samsung S22. I wanted a Samsung S22 because, I mean, if you saw the excitement that Samsung built over the S22 on Twitter, okay, featuring the fly. Can I let you out? You're kind of disturbing my video. Don't fly away. I want you to fly out. It's like, really. Stop it. Alright, anywho, so yeah, I mean, I was super, super excited. I watched the entire launch of the S22 and I was convinced that this is the phone that I'm getting. And now, I never used to be a fan of Samsung or iPhone, but when I attended the workshop, I was more please go, thank you. Okay, I'll leave the window open. No, the mic. Sorry. So I was more encouraged to go the iPhone way. And I don't know what to say. But it was because of the standardized quality of the pictures, you know, like not that it never changes, but then you almost expect the same but better with iPhone picture quality. And for me, that's honestly the purpose for any phone that I own, the picture quality and the space, which is another reason why I got an iPhone that has 512 gigabytes. Because the iPhone 13 does not come with earphones, it doesn't come with earpods, and it does not come, certainly does not come with an adapter. Show this guy. Yes.
It's only sore. It's not already. It's not sore anymore now.
Okay, but the toilet is that side, next door.
Next door?
Yes, toilet is not next door, it's like the next house. Just like,
Next to this one.
yes, next to this bathroom. And my friend got me an adapter. She got me an adapter. I'm shooting on selfie mode because wouldn't you shoot on selfie mode to just see how things are going? Anyways, I got a USB-C. It's 20 watts power adapter. I'm so excited. This is so awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. The charging port. Ooh, ouch. iPhone is fancy, guys. iPhone. Yeah, how do I open this now? Okay, there we go. Wow. Ooh. Oh, it's all matte. Whew. Oh, it's the plastic. Ooh. I'm thinking it's matte, Kanti, it's this. Whew. Are you so sexy? Check that out, guys. You see this insert? That's what I used to use to insert into my phone in order to charge. But now iPhone takes that and uses it as a... I'm just shook. Power adapter. I'm happy. I'm happy with iPhone. If you're thinking, what should I get? What should I get? Should I get an iPhone? If you're thinking iPhone and a different phone, just go iPhone. I'm going to be that person. Just go iPhone. I mean, it's a cool phone. Just go iPhone. What can I say? Go iPhone. There is a guy on Twitter, on YouTube, that actually does iPhone reviews, and he's incredible. Although I'm sad that I only discovered him after I bought the iPhone. I mean, it was so silly. Like, I got the iPhone and then watched an iPhone review. Rather, watch a review before you buy an iPhone. Or any phone for that matter. Or anything for that matter. Yeah, but I'm super, super happy. Yeah, that is it for today. Well, that is it for this video. I'm definitely shooting another video. Thank you.